Hi, I'm James Baker, founder of James Baker and Associates and international tax expert slash entrepreneur. And this clip you're about to see is from our last Ask Me Anything. If you want to ask me some questions, I come on live Wednesdays and Thursdays as much as I can. You can join with the link in the description below. I'd love to see you there, but let's get to the clip. Is the best form for a flipping business where the owners are foreign persons. So the best form, and it sounds like the options really it comes down to a single member LLC, a multi-member LLC, or a corporation. So it depends on your needs, and I'll tell you how it works in each situation. The benefits of using a single member LLC are that you get to pay long-term capital gains rates on your profits, assuming you hold the profits for longer than you hold the property for longer than a year. If you're flipping in shorter than a year, you're going to pay ordinary income tax rates, which go up to 37%. So if you're making a lot of money and you're reinvesting all of it into the business, a corporation in this instance may be better because you're going to only pay 21%. You can pay yourself management fees, service fees to get the money out of the company. But you're going to pay just a flat 21% plus, state applicable state taxes, depending on where you're doing the flipping. If you are doing less flips, if you're doing like one longer term flip, or you're doing just buy and hold, it might be easier with just a single member LLC. In that case, you would file a 1040 NR and report your results in your personal tax return. The multi-member LLC is okay, but the problem with that is it's a little more complex. When you have a multi-member LLC and you have U.S. trade or business, like you would when you're flipping U.S. real estate, you are still going to end up paying taxes at ordinary income rates personally. However, you have to file a 1065, a partnership return, and you have to file Form 8804 and Form 8805, so that you, because you'd be required to withhold taxes based on the profits of those endeavors. So if your partnership, if your flipping gain is $100,000 and it's two foreign partners, technically you're going to have to withhold $37,000 of taxes on behalf of those partners and file those forms. And then those partners report their gains and calculate the tax on their $50,000 each. And they each have 37,000 divided by 2, that $17,000 of taxes withheld, and 16,000, that's 30, 14, 14.5 of taxes withheld. Yeah, $18,500 of withholdings, and you request a refund on the personal filing. So it's an extra step. But if you have partners, it is what it is. And you might pay higher than the 21%, but you can take your money out right away. So there's different ways to do it. A corporation is not bad. If you're going to invest like $4 million and have a huge flipping business, a corporation might be best. And each property you buy and flip should be held in a separate LLC under the corporation. But there's a lot of different ways to do a flipping business. But it depends on the scale and the scope and all of that stuff. So it depends on a lot of different factors. So I hope that answers your question a little bit on the best way to manage a flipping business, assuming you're flipping U.S. properties and you're foreign persons. There's different ways to do it. No way is right. It all depends on your circumstances. What I would say is start as an LLC and buy that first property like that. You want to have each property tied into a different LLC owned by the top level LLC that's operating. And then at the end of the year, you can decide if you want to make a corporate tax election for it to pay tax as a corporation or leave it as an LLC. So I would start like that. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, and I want to share some things I have to offer you. If you're looking for help expanding to the U.S. or fixing a tax problem, the quickest way to contact us is to schedule a free call in the description below or at visiting jamesbakercpa.com/schedule. If you want to skip the line and speak with me directly, there's also a link in the description to schedule a call with me, which is another great option. I encourage you to join our Telegram and Discord groups, because in there we're announcing when I'm going live. I'm participating. I'm answering questions in real time. It's all free, and it's a quick community to engage with other entrepreneurs and people like yourself who are international and learning about this stuff. And I think it's a really valuable place to be in. At the end of the day, if you just subscribe and see me on the next video, that works too. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.